talon tango baru taki na mataka ni Venga Rabdikua.
Right.
And yo, nanda to bin nandra bakinga.
Di na sar.
And iwas singo ngo.
Na wale msara Punjas celebrating 90 years. Bula binaka became the staff ni Punjas may toka. Na wale msara nando sema tumaya na bimataka tako sara. Ana kaya na marota gitu na ouch palang show. Laman impasi taxi na minibus makila itu na oso suningo ni sala. Ana mataka ni kuasa payan ramon bulutan ni bikim ni ana mataka ni dai. Good morning, Dempsey.
Good morning, Mixi.
Right.
This is from Ba. We are joining from the pineapple farm.
Oh, okay.
We are moving up and down the Istex, Sakeo, and Asabenadana River.
Good morning.
These boys from Yakete, they deliver pineapple to Lautoka and Rakiraki this morning.
Ripe pineapple.
Ripe pineapple also to Raya Wabisako Bosa.
Right.
The Bosa family.
Right.
They are trafficking now in WA housing going to Nakasi.
Oh, that's the fellow from Goma.
Yeah, he is from Goma.
Boleh menaka kamani. Na balik besar na sema mai ana mataka ko Fiji girl boleh menaka. Yeah. Tia and also hot box. Benda boleh besar na sema mai. And mataka day day.
Oh, di bina kasi berto na doon tadurbo leo di under 20.
Right.
Fiji team. To nganga talebe Canada.
Right.
And sot ni ada 20 Oceania Championship.
Yes.
Pakai duri tu kan ngonong ko kamay na yasa sa pagkara Nandi.
Wow.
Kaya na wakata na rabito lili betoka di boleh na nonda bitol mo di sa na matali kuwa. Ano na ka Kim and Billy Ratumbola. Arto si Mr. Chumay Queensland, Australia na mataka pinaka day day. Buka kini bikim na siya tu benabi hotel di bulan ni Sarvanua.
Right.
Mana sa pagkara and rara duang ke buka lebu na maka.
Nandi.
Kay lubu-lubu untuk bulan may wingele.
Right.
Bosi talaga na may mate tabi uni.
Do boleh menaka.
Na buni bito sa kibir na kader bukata bulan na malolala.
Right.
And na mataka pinaka di kuwa.
Ano na kill ni wag mo kana in Wainunu.
Oi.
Yeah, the new one.
Yeah.
What's the name of the thing?
Dakunuk.
Di boleh menaka marmana sino tabi balim bulu to sara. Ono ni menaka tiana na boni bengarabi. Puno ta mga ni bengara balim bulu tapa. Bali ni wai. Mai na non tabi yatu ni ano ni sambulo menaka. Na bali bengarabi menaka. Seems to me like your voice is a different sound.
Your voice is corruption.
Corruption ko rin nataka boloa. Yo na bali mo kanin pata-pata. Kay chilo bitu na bitari sige sa uci.
Right.
Iba tu kinungo. Yo sa na numati ko mo sa tarang demi si mandaran donatar.
Right.
Natabe ndo tanikin na beko ya.
Oir
na maramanasi.
Maramanasi?
Right.
They are very saturated.
Huh?
Oira na bengarabi to be taudok because they are the one who will be there.
Right.
Some of us, we don't have relatives.
Okay.
First of all, we don't have relatives. They are the father, mother in the hospital.
Okay.
They look after us. Sometimes they bring food, they bring clothes, they bring. It shows their resourcefulness.
Okay.
Now, they come and give us.
Mother drink
or in and they are good, because when they do their servicing,
right,
the nurse, thank you to all the nurse around Fiji. They do the good servicing. Because before the Panadol arrive, they smile, withstand, and help us to be cured.
Right.
Even though we are in pain, even though when we are lose hope, they are the hope there for us. Sometimes when we had some people, they said, "Oh, we will go there, you will be ending." No, they are there. Please, come on, you can do it.
When you sick, you don't want to go to the hospital. Why?
Sometimes I go because I think of the future.
Okay.
Because nurse there is a Panadol. They are painkiller. They are medicine to us. Because when they smile, when they do their job, when they come with us, oh, thank you. If we are in the wheelchair, they'll push us around.
Stand up.
They will rambling kenda. It shows how good they are this morning.
We can look at all the nurses tuning in this morning from all the hospitals in Fiji. We say to the job that you do every morning. We're kaya sa naduru. We're na tamanda, we're na tumbunda, we're na bunda. Era duru tena biba limbula. Kaya kau ni siya ka na maramanas. Orin tundo ko na bingkarabi na nonda biba limbula. And why, when you get sick, you are afraid of the nurse? Why?
Because the sickness is not for the nurse.
Who told you that?
It's for the doctor.
The nurse
Now because the sickness, it's very it's like they want to see.
Yeah.
For me, this time can't see
Why?
because it's very close to the
Before you reach the
envelope.
doctor, you have to go. Before you reach the doctor,
Yeah.
you have to go to the nurse.
Nurse.
The nurse have to see the thing first. The nurse. When the nurse see the thing, then the nurse will write the
Because
report.
this nurse on that time, this nurse is bulan-bulan
Young faithful one.
yes,
Young faithful.
is young, very beautiful and
Oh, yeah.
Yes, because that time I was in secondary, I was in Form 6.
So Kewembale, you go to the hospital
Yeah.
not because of the sickness,
Yeah.
because of the nurse.
No, because he wants to see, and I say, I said to the nurse, how big is this?
Yeah.
Na kinakalibu.
Right.
And the nurse, I want to see because it depends on how we give them medicine.
Right.
See, if you want more mula,
Yeah.
iko dodo mo.
Listen.
Mosolia nangala bin nasi merida.
Yeah.
Iyo, basa mabinaka?
Iyo.
Sino bang
Eh,
sama
sino
na
to
ka?
mo mandua.
Hindi na sana ya?
Nothing to be ashamed of.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Hindi ko lang kayo malimbula.
Iyo.
Because you need to be cured
Cured.
Yeah.
from that boil.
Right.
Yeah, and the nurse want to see.
Yeah.
It's close to the. I already said.
What?
It's close to the envelope. I said, nurse, this envelope can only be opened at home. Wasot tasara nasi. Mono sarangor ndo sana pe talaki.
Oi. Nurse, you can't touch this.
You can. I said, this is. I want to see because I want to see how big.
See, the nurse want to help you.
Yeah.
That too.
They
I
are
don't
trained.
know.
They are trained to see the envelope.
Iyo. So, may nasi may basuka na envelope.
Masuk envelope meron na ni bola. Ngayon na sa andak sa kilatok may bala na wende sa randa ni puberty process is oko sa Form 6 sa
So
English,
when the ring,
English.
that time the Messi
Yes.
can take you to the grave, man.
yeah, that's true.
Iyo.
You know the time we are saying because
Yeah.
one lesson I learned from there.
What?
If you got a sickness
Yeah.
or you got isa, ngwa kila minasa tong ko mamatay diwa.
Yeah.
Arto esa sa bata kay nas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nano may ata ka kami ko Mika.
Hindi na sana. Hindi.
Why don't you recommend to the nurse, please? Because I'm wondering.
Yeah.
Because the telasana.
Puberty level is coming up.
When the ring chingo, what can I rasa sin chimo do sa balu chu.
Awal siya.
What can nasi kere can you give me the sleeping pill?
Yeah.
While I'm asleep.
Kau kita kata.
You check the
You do your job.
Otherwise, au sa bonongor sa research kiniliw.
Yeah.
Au sa kilan to bata talom bulan na may lakay ki. Nurse and doctor, only two.
Yeah.
Doctor in their room.
Yeah.
Nurse here.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I better for me to leave. May nakalaya may umbi-umbi.
Ikaw na kayo biu-biu. Ikaw na kayo boy lang kamay na grave. Kaya pinakatangin niya, may kamu kayo may bisel.
Ha?
Okay, okay. Balik sa ala ko to remote sin Andre.
Yeah. Lesson learn from there.
Yeah.
If you have any sickness, come.
Lever marong cuk men matag ko dams. Karla ko to remote sin Andre Rengo.
Rere maginis.
Iya, na kami nor obstacle singo.
Iya.
Pagbibi na nonta do mandu ala kira na marama. Era bing grabe na nonta bibo limbola. Pagbibi na marama nasi.
Iya.
Era sangi tori polo uti.
Iya.
Pagbibi kemi na dorbo tu be kemi na nganga mo nila ki balimbula.
Iya.
Di rida nga di nasi bing grabe di salis talma.
Iya.
Era ni coach ko kiran to na pono Andre.
Iya.
Men bimbi de kisi.
Right.
Hindi na sar.
Iya.
Na dabaro no mitukutuk no message bir baten no iko sala ko bo chuma.
Iya. If you have a sickness or if you have anything,
Right.
don't ever ashamed.
Right.
Go to the hospital. They are there for us.
Right.
Iya.
For me on that day, because I was ashamed. Never ashamed.
Oy.
I ran away from there. Lucky.
Yeah.
We are in the village. We know herbal medicine.
Oh,
Then I was using herbal medicine. Then we leave each other.
Alright, you use the herbal medicine, but now
Yeah.
it's not completely healed.
Me dapat tali.
Sa tebu ebu kila ko tsunga mai.
Every now and then, eh?
Iya.
But na wakana the roots still there.
Iyo. Kaya ko
We
meron
need the root to be uprooted
Iyo.
because of the envelope is still closed.
if this time if they want to check us, I don't want to go to the big hospital.
What?
I just want to go to the health center. Kuarlean dua ngakin nanas.
Asa kere ber to dal big lig big grabe na mistri ni bula. Mer lesi be health center na maramana si kangone.
Maintenance. Right, thank you.
Itaw bimbi ndrendre.
Dina sar.
Ador dito garabo na muni matan ndrendre.
Right.
Obi baka puno tunang bula beira rangoleani. Non ranganda ba mer lagi bombo.
Joe Rogobesu and the family from Tamaydon in the bus.
You know the Mika?
Yep.
The way baka beauty that keyword the envelope.
Whatever.
Ana boenero.
Bolero be puta.
Low fun nandun sarang naman sana.
Sekali.
Sobo. Iya, saya kayak kalau mana bonero gitu. Zomba.
But more already.
Yeah.
I have noticed that people in Fiji don't go to the hospital.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, right though.
They'll go to, if the sickness is less, go to the hospital. Sometimes when the sickness is heavy.
You true.
Yeah.
Iyo.
Yes.
Already you true saranga.
Yeah.
Di nasara.
We go
This
to
is
the
one example. One example. Like we are afraid to go to the hospital.
Iyo.
I don't know why.
Oh, the best is not afraid that they did.
Oh,
okay, wente nga.
Oh,
yeah,
wait.
Nandrasa, bowling point.
Right.
Because the time, you know, the sickness is close to the. I said to the nurse, you because my mentality is like this. If I show her, she will want to touch. She want to touch.
Yeah, she has to touch.
Touch nga ako sa touch ruwa.
No, because that's a job.
Yeah.
They are trained to touch.
And myself, I'm not trained to.
Kasi ang ontak na ako, may patang-batang.
Betul sabi rin man.
May ko na talk siya naman.
May hali.
Nagtamo babakyu.
Nandong mo, nasasae, mula siya.
Sir ka pa binda bulikin na.
Maka madal taro na ako kailan na.
Better learning
Iya.
than never.
Yan, ada na ka John Kumar, ada na ka Sibo Orawanga. Ben takaw di Tabua, ada na ka isa. Udah boleh besar. Iya.
Apa kita betul?
Buse, hindi desar. Form 6.
Sa kanin burgina.
Mira, vos dime si morre bula.
Oy, kau.
Ada na ka John Rambo, ada na ka Bill Lesenia.
Kita me keto sana ba?
Modo tali kita sa tu mati kira-kira ka kun mandua.
Ano na ka mo sa
laking garan. Iki bitala na maramanasi na.
Hat siya.
Tinay kay mami.
Right.
Nani mami nei. Ngane kito. Taga-taga na boleh bola maramanasi. Pwede ni binak.
Lakas, like, hat,